Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Muntasir and I am an informatics student at Senageng Tayasa University. As students in this field, we spend a lot of time sitting behind screens. We focus on logic, fix bugs, and we learn how to talk to computer. But today I want to step away from the keyboard for a moment to talk about something equally important, human communication. Specifically, I want to share my thought on why English speaking skills are critical in this era of globalization and how artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn how to speak. First, let's talk about globalization. We often hear that the world is connected, but what does that actually mean for us as students? For me personally, my passion is game development. I love using engines like Godot to create interactive world. But here is the truth I have learned. Making a great game is only half the battle. You also have to explain it to people. The gaming industry is global and if I want to learn from the best developer out there, most of the tutorials and documentation are in English. If I want to collaborate with an artist in Europe or publish my game to a worldwide audience, I need to communicate my vision clearly. In a globalized world, English is the bridge. You might have the most brilliant idea in the room, but if you cannot speak about it confidently, that idea might never leave your computer. This brings me to my second point. The influence of AI technology is on our speaking skills. We are living through a revolution with tools like ChatGPT and real-time translators. Some people worry that AI will make learning language useless. They ask, why should I practice speaking when an AI can translate for me instantly? I believe the opposite is true. For academic purposes and professional growth, AI is not a replacement, it is a training partner. As a non-native speaker, I use AI to check my grammar or to help me find the right word to speak, express a complex idea. It removes the fear of making mistakes during practice. It allows us to prepare better so that when we actually speak to human, we are more ready and more precise. However, there is one thing that AI cannot do. It cannot replace authenticity. When we give a speech or pitch a project or introduce ourselves in an interview, people are not just listening to our word. They are connecting with our personality, our emotion, and our confidence. AI can generate a perfect script, but it cannot generate the passion I feel when I talk about my project. So, to conclude, as a student at Untita, we should embrace technology, but we should not hide behind it. Let's use AI to sharpen our skills, but let's remember that our voice, our actual spoken voice, is the most powerful tool that we have to connect with the world. Thank you very much for listening.